Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I finally got this Rovan 71 budget all together. Okay, I fired it up earlier. Yeah, it's awesome. Worked out a few problems. Okay, I'm not going to fire it up now. Just one of the brackets come off, so re-weld that. And I've got a pinhole underneath on the header part of the pipe, so I'll take it to work and weld them up, give it a polish. Yeah, awesome. I didn't talk. I took last video the Supreme RC Max C1 engine, but I'm only need to finish this off, which I have. It's worked out good. I worked out the problems with the engines right on top of it. Okay. Let me see. So I took last video. Yeah, it's Taylor locker, FLM arms, blackbone gears. Yeah. So the gear ratio is to suit the bigger diameter spike wheels, which are going to maximum traction. That's the whole idea why I brought them. Wheelie bar preset where I like it. A little bit of work's gone on this. It's got titanium parts in, pins, titanium pins, large shaft. There's a fair bit of work done on there. Runs a full pedal reed. Okay, it's the same as ALX, the same company that makes all their engines. In my last reed block, yeah, I can put that back on. I sorted all out the problem, the engine. We'll get that in a moment. Okay, so yeah, it's all good. Sounds great. Gets on power instant. Idles well. Yeah, so basically, it's pretty good. I can't wait to take it up to the test run. This pipe's so loud. For my neighbourhood, it's too loud, so I respect other people's privacy and noise-wise. Yeah, I'm really happy. So basically, the problem I worked out the 71 Rovan engines. Okay, you got to get your CCs right. Okay, they do not like high comp compression heads with small chambers. Okay, this cylinder, all it's been done is the blow down's been adjusted, bigger inlet wise, the timing numbers to suit that spec. The difference were done. I did not run the extra 2 transfer ports. This has got a boost port. Okay, it's actually, I've done it a lot different this time. It works a lot better. Okay, so awesome. So basically, really, your secret is the CC of the chamber of the head. Okay, it's not that you're just having a small chamber head. Yeah, your problems pull starting it, get a detonation, and it will not mix the fuel. It will not, it will not run clean. So the CC of the chamber is the most critical part. Yeah, so yeah, this is a lot better. I've run this cylinder before and I ran into problems, so I figured it out in my head what it was. Basically, yeah, the CC of the chamber, changed to the boost port. That's awesome. Like you get open the ports right up, but you lose crank volume and you lose pressure. So yeah, this works well. So you'll see this running and hopefully in the next video. I'm going to start on the RC Max Supreme engine 5T. We'll go through that procedure. Now, I did talk about these cylinders are open ports inside. Okay, a better design. I found a 71cc cylinder on eBay. Okay, it's the same PCD holes, fits straight on. The only downfall is the coil was on the wrong side. Okay, so basically I need to make a coil drop for it. Okay, this cylinder would be the go. The reason is, look inside, has enclosed transfer port. Okay, so it's mainly directing the fuel where you want it. It's at the front. Okay, doing that basically does that. It actually pushes out the loss of exhaust gas out for the exhaust. So directing the fuel where you want it to go is way to go. Works more efficient. It's all good. So on this cylinder, I just run a boost port. Now my boost ports only run the upper section, nothing down below. Only just enough for the prime the fuel pump. Small fine trench, just prime the carburetor. Okay, and the beauty about this head itself, enclosed ports, yeah, you're going to make more power, you're going to direct the fuel where you want it. Okay, and the beauty about it, like I showed before, where the holes for the exhaust, way out, they don't interfere with what they do on the Rovan 71s. Okay, so you can have big exhaust ports on this with no interference. And the inlet side is actually angled up. Okay, which is a good thing, because that way, by the time you put your space or whatever, carburetor, filter, you're right on top of the your lines of the fuel tank. That points it up the air, and you don't have that problem there. So yeah, this is an awesome cylinder. This cylinder would work better than the Rovan one itself. Okay, so yeah, well guys, it's looking good. Yeah, two-piece pipe. Came up with this idea months and months ago. You've seen one of my early videos. Basically what it is, so pipes I make for this round chamber, and it just goes off flange, easy to get it off, on and off. Yeah. Yeah, all good guys. The only thing I basically is to do the arms on these. I've got to make my own up to make them longer. Okay, they don't suit the Rovan extra length arms, which is only 25 mils. FLM, like an extra, say an inch on each side, you know, type of thing. So you only get 25, you only get an extra inch. But anyway, all good. Works, you know, it works fine. Yeah, guys. I shall see you in the next video, or it might be other things on and off. Seen the other engine run. You'll see this engine running on the field, and yeah, hope we get good weather. I'm out.